Are you looking for the top 5 best laptops for Rivet? In this video, we will look at some of the best laptops for Rivet on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Best for Rivet with RTX 3060. GIGABYTE AORUS 15 petajoules KD. As an engineer, architect, or designer heavily dependent on Rivet for your part of BIM, you can never go wrong with the instantly powerful GIGABYTE AORUS 15 petapascals KD. Besides running Rivet almost effortlessly, this laptop can also work simultaneously on other BIM software modules like ArchiCAD, Edificus, and more. The AORUS 15 Pascals houses the Intel Core i1-1800H chipset at the core, which can assume turbo clock speeds of up to 4.6 GHz. The hexacore architecture of this mobile chipset allows mechanical, civil, and electrical engineers to handle 3D models, detailed workflows, and structural analysis with precision. Also, the exceptional single-core performance supports precise structural analysis and allows you to export the designs without slowdowns. As far as the graphics support is concerned, there is an RTX 3060 GPU in play, capable of helping engineers with seamless Rivet rendering and 3D simulations. At number 2. Best for 3D modeling. MSI Creator 15. Running the latest version of the Revit might be a bit overwhelming in the MSI Creator 15. Even though the features align with a typical gaming notebook, MSI ensures decent coverage for managing models, plans, renders, and design collaborations. At the core, MSI fits in a famed octa-core, Intel Core i7 chipset. The Intel Core i1-1800H processor ensures the fastest possible generative design and inclusion of parametric components, regardless of the Revit model you are working on. Most importantly, the maximum turbo clock speed of up to 4.6 GHz ensures excellent processing coverage for structural engineers who might be interested in 3D visualization and lag-free reinforcement detailing concerning metallic and concrete structures. Overall, the MSI Creator 15 Professional is a complete Rivet-compatible machine, more so for structural engineers in charge of designing, modeling, and rendering concrete structures, steel panels, and other complex tasks. At number 3. Best Dell laptop for Rivet. Dell G315. As an engineering professional using Rivet, you must rely on a laptop that is more than capable of handling multiple processing elements with aplomb. This is where the Dell G315 comes in handy, courtesy of the loaded specs sheet. When it comes to processing firepower, the Intel Core i1-0750H chipset is a resourceful inclusion. The hexacore architecture of this SoC allows you to seamlessly design plumbing systems, electrical pathways, and HVAC ducting layouts with precision. Plus, the maximum clock speed of up to 5 GHz ensures excellent single-core performances, which come in handy for any kind of advanced analysis via third-party integrations. Overall, if you are more into fabrication, documentation, and modeling via the MEP extensions and resources, precisely for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing scenarios, the Dell G3153500 is the ideal laptop for Rivet to purchase. At number 4. Best from ASUS. ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14. If you are a mid-level architect who runs Rivet and other BIM resources for a living, ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 is a highly dependable laptop to purchase. While the spec sheet is at par with a mobile workstation for engineers, we were most impressed by the ability of this laptop to manage work sharing and complex generative designs. At the helm, ASUS features a speed and resource-intensive AMD Ryzen 9 590's AORUS processor. The octa-core architecture ensures that ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 can run building information modeling resources without breaking a sweat, including the parametric formats involving constructing, designing, and planning. You also get access to a mid-range NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 GPU, which is good enough for managing parametric components, 3D visualization, and various conceptual design-specific tools. However, we weren't pleased with the 10-hour battery backup, which restricts the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 as a primary desktop replacement. At number 5. Best laptop for Rivet with 17-inch monitor. HP Envy 17 terajoules. Mid-level architectural contractors prefer investing in laptops that offer adequate processing power, biggish display, and long-lasting battery backup. This is the reason why we chose to include the HP Envy 17 terajoules on this list, which is one of the more prudent options to consider at such a competitive price point. Powering the NV 17 teraliters is the Intel Core i1065 GW chipset, which can clock at a maximum speed of up to 3.9 GHz. The excellent single-core performance handles construction modeling and coordination like a pro by allowing you to design and render 2 to C amperes sheets precisely. Also, if you have an active project to manage, the processing setup, along with the GeForce MX 330 GPU, allows seamless splitting of wall layers, concrete pours, and fabrication. Overall, there aren't many better Rivet-compatible laptops on the market for the given price point, especially for a mid-level contractor and fabricator. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.